In today's video, I want to talk to you about 20 symptoms of a toxic culture, and today we're going to talk about symptom number 1. Symptom number 1 is a lack of accountability in the organization, in the culture, that ensures certain behaviors take place that lead to certain outcomes. So we've got these behaviors that we want people to do that lead to outcomes, and you have to have expectations that these behaviors will be executed. Many times a business owner will hire me or another consultant, and their idea is, well, we'll just shell out money to this consultant and he'll fix all these issues. It doesn't work that way. You as the owner must be engaged in the process of change, and you as the owner must set the expectation that we are going to do these new behaviors. But the new behaviors are not going to happen unless you put a system in place that ensures behaviors happen. The consultant or the outside helper you bring in helps people make the behavioral changes. The behavioral changes start creating a new identity once employees start doing things differently. The new identity creates a different, higher standard, and then you get better results. But the bottom line is you got to have a system that ensures your expectation occurs. So the system of accountability points back to the expectation. So if you've got a culture where there are no expectations, or at best weak expectations, it's toxic. The people just hope and pray and wait on things to go back to the way it was because they know it will. This is a really, really big problem, and it's toxic, and it's called lack of accountability, but it's also related to lack of expectations. You guys out there that have used consultant after consultant after consultant after consultant, I know you. You hire me. I'm sometimes the 5th or 6th guy in. It isn't the consultant, it's you. You have got to learn how to set expectations. I'm doing a free seminar on May 18th. The links are below. Come, we'll talk about all these symptoms, these toxic symptoms in your business, and then we're going to talk about how to fix it. So if you have this problem, you want to come to that free webinar. It's May 18th. Hey, thank you, and God bless.